Hello all. Today I am going to talk about how to prepare dissertation. So first of all, when you are going to choose any of the topic of your dissertation, you should be choose very wisely and precisely. Because if you if you have chosen any topic that will be most wider or more wider, and the wider topic require much more time, it won't be complete within a period of time, or whatever you want to add, it won't be possible because your topic is wider. So when you are going to choose any topic, go for the specific one. For example, if you are going to choose any topic like fundamental right, but in fundamental right there are so many articles, instead of going to choose any topic like fundamental right, directive principle of state policy, go for the specific like article 14, article 15, article 16, and so on. So you are going to choose any specific one that is more focused on specific topic only, a particular thing. As well as it is also more important, if you are in different group, like if you are in constitution group or the human right or criminology or any of the group, go for choose that group only. Like for the constitution, go for the constitution any topic. If the criminology, go for that one only. Do not choose any of the outsider, like something is very completely new or which is in a general perspective. Of course you can go in general perspective, but that topic will be connected in your group, in your syllabus one. There is no specific syllabus as such, but in semester 1, semester 2, semester 3, whatever you are learn in this semesters in your group, you can choose any of this. After this you have to go for study material, whether this topic is available, that the material is available on internet or any book, any journal, libraries also, you will be get it very easily. So that also is important thing that you have to go through, whether it is available or not. Because if not available and whatever is available you are just copy and the paste, it will again affected your mark. So the topic and study material, this is the basic thing which you have to go through. First, primary thing. And the second, it is a doctrinal or non-doctrinal. But see, if there is a non-doctrinal, you have to visit. Like non-doctrinal means a field work. Like you have to visit any of the the firm, the company, the hospitals, the somewhere else, like you have to visit over there. Doctrinal means which is available like internet, books, articles, journal, newspaper, and so on. You have to decide as per your time management. Non-doctrinal minimum require, or you can say the maximum more than 3 months. Doctrinal you will get it very easily. If there is a study material, you can get it. So the time and these doctrinal and non-doctrinal, that you have to be depend your capability, your situation. Because sometimes like the students are of course all students are equal, but sometimes students are very much active for the social sites or the social networking, or for somewhere like go and visit like the different field. So they are doing within 1 month all field work, all data collection, all the graphs, chart, everything, so that you know very well about your capability. You have to be decide yourself. So the topic, study material, and the timing. This is the three triangle. You have to go through for that, and then you have to submit your topic before the guiding teacher. Now after approve your topic, then we can go for the what are the standard format of the preparing all this for the basic level. For the first the steps, all material must be the Times New Roman. This is the standard form. Like every paragraph you have to include, not every, you can say the entire things you have to include, you have to add Times New Roman, and the font is a 12 size. But if there is a heading, like first heading introduction, you can keep it 14, and in this introduction, whatever the material, the paragraph, you please keep it maintained as 12. But before introduction, you have to mention some chapter, like background of so and so chapter, so you have to more than that, like 16, 18, as per your guiding teacher, because some of the teachers said it is a 16 is okay, some professors said it's 18 is okay. So that only you have to clarify. Again, if there is a one topic, there are different topic like objective, like significant role. There are some of the like 1, 2, 3, 4, C. We include A, B, C, D. So which basically observe, if you accept A, B, C, D, you can please carry this A, B, C, D to entire your dissertation. You cannot keep like one chapter A, B, C, D, the second one is 1, 2, 3, 4, the third one is like Roman 1, 2, 3, 4. No, it doesn't look. The uniformity is also important. If you start like A, B, C, D, go for end A, B, C, D. In the paragraph is 1.5 line spacing. This is the standard one. And if paragraph change or suddenly topic change, we can say like first is introduction and then come concept. So the topic also change, you can spacing line is 2, not in 1.5, because 1.5 is a paragraph, 1.5 is a material one. Then we can go for the further, how can you prepare your lines spacing, because of course nowadays very easy to understand, but some of the students, they are quite difficult to, madam, how we can go this and that. So I maintain here image, so it will be like very easy to understand. So in this image there is mentioned the paragraph, the home, when you click home you will get it line spacing. In this line spacing there is mentioned 1.5, 1.0. So if there is paragraph 1, you can go for 1.5, and if this paragraph changing, you can go for 2. And the thing is, you can do this one is the very beginning, because if you are complete your entire dissertation and if you want to change, though everything is going to be like what not shuffled, like one page is proper, the another one is not, because somewhere is a line spacing, like if you enter double tap, so it will be going to be a different one. So you can start at the beginning of this your dissertation, at least for 10 to 15 pages you can please check your line spacing, so that it will be carried forward to your entire dissertation. So there is no require. Of course meanwhile you have to check it, because whether it is something it changed or so if the paragraph spacing is there, once you collected the end of the this thing line spacing, there is mentioned paragraph, and in this paragraph you can see over here mentioned before, after, line spacing, then alignment. You can maintain all this, and after selection you can put it here, click button that okay. This is for your line spacing. Now you can go for the like page layout. Why page layout is important? Because this is semester 4, so 2 dissertation has been prepared by blackboard, like embossing is required in dissertation, as well as interdisciplinary, it's only for this parallel bending, which is basically the professor also accepted this thing. You have to be clear with your guiding teacher. So the page layout is important here, because at the beginning when you are going to start, you have to select this, which the line spacing, like in Word file, first you have to go for the page layout, and after page layout you have to go for the spacing, because spacing is important. If there is a black bond embossing, left hand side it's required 1.5 or 2, because they require for the space, and the top and the bottom is the 1 and the right is also 1 or somewhere 1.5, so that it's more space, and so that whatever you can put it your material, the study material, whatever your research will is there for the dissertation, it will not going in that embossing binding. So make it point, this is for the standard form of left, right, top and bottom. So basically 1.5 1 1 1, this is the thing, but somewhere it is can change slightly 2 or 1.5, otherwise it is a 1.5 1 1 1. This is the standard form of black bonding embossings. Now the footnote is also important for the dissertation. Whatever you can choose, any material from any internet, books, article, newspaper, anything, you have to please put footnotes, because it is not completely your word. You have to take it copy for somewhere else, isn't it? Like if I put any article from Times of India, so I mention here the Times of India, this date and the page number. So footnote is also important. Again, when you are going to footnote, please clarify with your teacher whether it is a APA style, whether it is a MLA style. Nowadays in dissertation we prefer APA style. It's easy to understand, but somewhere it is a MLA style. It is required for the footnote as well as it's required for the bibliography. Okay, so these are the things which is you more important for preparing your dissertation. Now for the references, because footnote and the references, reference is one of the footnote, but when you click like the reference button, you will get it a insert footnote. So again you can go for here 2-3 options after clicking after you click reference, that insert footnote, that is come for the current page whatever you are working, and for the end footnote means entire chapter. When you finish your entire chapter, at the end of the chapter you will get in the footnote. The thing is that instead of preferring that end of the chapter, go for the insert footnote, the current page. Why? Because it will be easy to understand, to read yourself as well as the teacher, the guiding teacher, the external, the internal also, because it's easy to understand, oh, this matter is regarding to this article on this book and you are copy for this and you are mentioning the proper footnote. So footnote play a very very important role in your dissertation. Any research topic, it's very important for the footnote, line spacing, which type of style you are preferring for the completion of your dissertation, and there are so many things that it's include in your dissertation for the basic primary things for starting for the dissertation. So after referencing footnote, you will start your study on your selected topic of the dissertation. I will give you another video very shortly. How can you complete your dissertation with your topic? This is without topic because it is a general thing, the basic. Now very soon you will get another video, how can complete your dissertation with your topic, because this is without your topic for the basic thing. With your topic I will give you the other. So thank you so much all of you for watching. Please like and subscribe. Thank you so much. Bye.